Hey everyone, welcome. If you've ever wanted to build a completely custom table in Power BI, whether it's for testing, quickly sharing sample data, or tailoring your dashboard exactly to your needs, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a brand new table from scratch, add your own data, and instantly use it in your reports and visuals. Let's dive right in and get your custom table up and running. First things first, let's create your table. In Power BI, the way to manually add data is by using the Enter Data feature. You'll find this button right on the home ribbon, usually toward the left. Think of it as opening a blank spreadsheet where you get to decide exactly what data goes in. Click Enter Data, and you'll be greeted by a window that looks a lot like a mini version of Excel. Now here you can start laying down the foundation of your table. Maybe you're making a quick sales list, a product lookup, or just a few test values to play around with. You'll notice on both the right and bottom edges of this window there's a little plus sign. Clicking this plus sign is how you add new columns or rows. Let's say you need to track 3 kinds of information, for example, product name, category, and sales amount. Just use the plus sign to add those columns on the right, naming each one thoughtfully so it's clear what data goes where. Then, use the plus at the bottom to add as many rows as you need for your entries. If you're only entering a handful of values, this part won't take long, but don't worry if you have a lot to do, you can take your time here. Remember, you can always edit, delete, or add more later if you change your mind. No need to be perfect on the first go. Once you've entered your data, check it over. Sometimes it helps to imagine someone else looking at this table and asking themselves, what am I supposed to learn from this? If you spot any typos or missing info, you can just click right into the cells and fix it up. Before you move on, there's one step that's really worth your attention: naming your table. You'll see a name box at the top of this window. Give your table a clear, memorable name, something like Demo Products or Test Sales List, so you'll easily recognize it later, especially if you end up with many tables in your Power BI workspace. It might seem small, but a good name will save you having to puzzle out which table is which down the line. Once you're happy with your data and your table name, click Load. Power BI will take a moment to process, and then you'll see your new table appear in the data pane on the right side of your screen. Congratulations, you've just built and loaded a custom table. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually use this? Here, where the fun starts. Pick any chart, maybe a bar chart, pie chart, or even a table visual, and when you add it to your report, you'll be able to drag in the columns from your brand new table. You can instantly see your data come alive with visuals. If you want to double-check your raw data, just click on the Table View option, and you'll see the neat grid of all your entries in classic table format. And for those of you who like to dig into how tables relate, the Model View lets you see your new table among all your other datasets and relationships, and that's really all it takes. You've just created a custom Power BI table from scratch, loaded it with your own data, and put it to work in your reports. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or a tricky scenario you want help with, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.